Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me Qari Faisal Shafiq and you are watching Join Online Quran YouTube channel. Yes listeners, in the previous lectures we discussed some basic letters of the Holy Quran and today we are going to start next basic letter of the Holy Quran. So let's start with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay listeners, so you can see in this page, Alhamdulillah, we completed first 8 basic letters of the Holy Quran and today we are going to start next 9th basic letter of the Holy Quran, which is zaal. Okay listeners, so first of all we are going to discuss how to read this letter zaal. So you can read this letter as zaal. Okay listeners, so now we are going to discuss the point of pronunciation of this letter, where from we can read this letter, where from we can originate this letter. So the point of pronunciation of this letter is by touching tip of the tongue with the edges of upper front two teeth. Yes listeners, so you remember we discussed already this point of pronunciation in lecture number 3, which was about sa. That's mean we can pronounce this letter zaal, and lecture number 3 letter, which was sa, these both letters with the same point of pronunciation, which is by touching tip of the tongue with the edges of upper front two teeth. So you can see in this picture, first of all you will put your tip of your tongue with the edges of your upper front two teeth and then you will start reading of this letter zaal, like that. Now you can practice this letter according to the point of pronunciation of this letter. Inshallah, we will discuss next remaining letters in the next coming lectures. If you want next coming lectures, you can subscribe our YouTube channel to get new knowledge, new lectures about the Holy Quran. Inshallah, we'll see you very soon in the next coming lecture. Until Allah Hafiz, take your good care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.